The Haze node. Today's video is sponsored by the SpaceX. Open your clip in the Fusion page and bring my new favorite node, the soft glow. Adjust the threshold slider and the glow size. You can also change the color and the blur mode. You need to come back to this node later and play around with the sliders. Add a Haze node. For this you need to install the Reactor plugin and activate the Haze tool. Bring a fast noise node and connect it to the green point of the haze. Bring down the scale slider and increase the seethe rate slider to add some movement. Select the Haze node. Increase the background blur and the haze blend slider. Play around with the sliders to find out what works best for you. Go to the soft glow node and experiment with the sliders. If you want, you can add a mask to the fast noise node and isolate the haze effect to a specific part of the image. Nothing special for this clip, but I just found my next two favorite nodes to milk out for the next 2 years. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you can get a life.